Thermocouple inserted lids are designed to attach to a specific socket on an existing board. In order to connect a thermocouple inserted lid, first remove the socket lid from the guide. Once the socket lid is removed, insert the DUT into the socket guide. Place the thermocouple inserted lid on top of the socket guide. Use a torque meter screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws, applying the same torque on all 4 corners. Screw-down thermocouple inserted lids are the most generic and cost-effective way for using the Flex TC. Mechanical Devices designs thermocouple lids for every existing socket on the market. Alternatively, we work with the industry's leading socket manufacturers, providing them our design rules for making thermocouple inserted lids. Customers may also construct their own thermocouple lids. Mechanical Devices can provide the design rules on request. Once the thermocouple lid is fixed in place, evenly put thermal paste or a thermal pad material on the lid top surface. Once ready, use the boom stand to position the thermal head above the lid. Then, contact the top surface with plunger and lock the boom stand arm in place. Connect the thermocouple plug to the Flex TC rear panel K-type thermocouple port. You are now ready to start testing.